What if I told you you're not broke because of your income, but because of how you were programmed to think about money? That sounds uncomfortable, but stay with me. Because once you see this, you won't be able to unsee it. Most people believe their financial situation is random. They think it's about luck, or opportunity, or just not earning enough. But that's not the real story. The truth is, your financial life is the result of patterns. Patterns you didn't consciously choose. Patterns you inherited. From a young age, you were exposed to certain beliefs about money. Maybe you heard things like, money doesn't grow on trees, saving is everything, rich people are different. At the time, these sounded like normal advice, but over time, they became your internal script. Let's break this down simply. Your brain is designed to automate behavior. It takes repeated ideas and turns them into default actions. So when it comes to money, you don't always decide what to do. You react based on what you've been taught. Think about it. Why do some people panic when they have money? Why do others spend quickly, even when they know they shouldn't? Why do some people avoid investing, even when they understand the benefits? It's not random, it's programming. One of the biggest financial beliefs people carry is this: work harder and you'll become wealthy. Sounds logical, right? But here's the problem. Working harder doesn't automatically create wealth. It increases effort, not necessarily results. In reality, wealth is built through systems, not just effort, not just time, but structure. This is why you see people working long hours yet still struggling financially, and others working less but growing wealth steadily. The difference is not effort, it's how their money is structured. Another part of financial programming is how you relate to spending. Most people were never taught how to manage money. They were taught how to use it. So what happens? Money comes in and immediately gets assigned to expenses, bills, lifestyle, comfort, and whatever is left is either saved or spent again. This creates a loop: earn, spend, reset. And over time, this becomes normal. Now here's where most people try to fix things. They decide to save more. And saving is important. But saving alone does not break the system. Because if the underlying structure doesn't change, the outcome won't change either. You can save consistently and still feel stuck because you're still operating within the same financial pattern. Part 6. The real shift. So what actually changes everything? Awareness. Once you understand that your behavior is programmed, you gain the ability to question it. Instead of reacting, you begin to think. Instead of following patterns, you begin to design your own system. And that's where real financial growth begins. Let's simplify this. If your current system isn't working, you don't need more effort. You need a new structure. Just where your money goes before it arrives. You create priorities before spending begins. You remove randomness and replace it with intention. This is what separates financially stable people from financially stressed ones. At the core of everything, there are two ways to live financially. You either react to money or you control it. Reaction feels normal. Control feels intentional. And the moment you move from one to the other, everything changes. This is not about overnight success. It's about long-term direction. Small changes in behavior, repeated consistently, create massive results over time. This is how wealth is actually built. Not through luck, not through shortcuts, but through systems that work quietly in the background. So the question is, are you going to keep repeating what you were taught? Or are you ready to think differently? Are you ready to step up your financial game? Or stay where you are? This is Wealthynex, where you don't just make money, you build systems. Your next level starts now.